Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term somno. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, somno refers to sleep or sleeping, often used in medical or poetic contexts. People use it when talking about rest or the act of sleeping. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Somno first showed up in Latin roots from ancient times. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among medical professionals or poetry fans. Now let's check out how to use somno in a sentence. Correct example 1. After a long day, I couldn't wait to enjoy some somno and recharge for tomorrow. Correct example 2. I felt so tired that somno was the only thing on my mind tonight. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said somno at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using somno right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Somno means sleep or sleeping, often used in medical or poetic contexts. It started in Latin root origins, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with somno in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.